Google Sheets video, we're going to look at add-ons. Like any other G Suite application, add-ons are helpful within a specific application. So each of them are unique, and the way to get to them is also unique. Within Sheets, you can access your add-ons from the Add-Ons tab. You can see the add-ons you already have here to launch them, or you can go to Get Add-Ons to get to the add-on library for Sheets. Just like any other add-on with Oldham County, if you are logged in, like as I am here with my Oldham County account, they do have to be vetted through our district first for security reasons. And so if you go to look at one and it's not, if you're not able to download it, that means it has not quite been vetted yet, and you'll have to submit a request through your LMS or STC. Let me show you what that looks like. One that I'd like to download is Formule, but that is one that is enabled. So when I click on it, all I have to do is click this install button and continue because it is accepted. And it will download and automatically show up after I accept all of the conditions within my add-ons for me to start using. Mail Merge is one that allows you to create a Google Sheet and then use that add-on in order to send out like mass emails to a group of people with different email names, subjects, and then so it kind of helps you to be more efficient with creating emails to a mass group of people, but allows you to customize them at the same time. So I have downloaded that one. Let me show you, if you have not seen it before, what it looks like when you cannot get a certain add-on because it's not whitelisted. As soon as this loads, oh, there we go. It has been installed. Done. Thank you. Let me show you what that looks like. And so if I go to one that, and I can also just go look at these and see what looks helpful in order to kind of like, here we go, this Avery label one, that would be neat to get. But as you can see, it is not whitelisted, which means it's not turned on. And so if that's something I wanted to use in order to make some labels for my classroom, then I need to go ahead and have that vetted so I can download it. So that is how you get the add-ons, but to launch them, you go to Add-Ons and click it and click Launch to get started, and it will, as you can see, work on top of it. This has been a quick video on add-ons. Remember, add-ons are found within the Add-Ons tab. You can get them by going to the library here, or you can initiate and use them on top of your sheet by clicking on them there. Thank you so much for watching.